Never give up on your side hustle. Trust yourself. You know more than you think you do. Your side hustle isn't just a hobby. It's a stepping stone to financial stability and freedom. Every effort, every late night, every small win is a testament to your dedication and vision for a better future. Remember, side hustles lead to dollars and dollars lead to stability. Keep pushing, stay motivated, and watch your dreams turn into reality. Your hard work will pay off, and you'll build a life where financial stress is a thing of the past. Keep going. You're closer than you think. Want to learn more? Check out the link in the description of this video for a side hustle opportunity that thousands of people around the world are doing daily to create some extra income.